I can put that on request for the final.
Go ahead for 16 Tango. I'll say it was pretty good to about 35,000.
Okay, we'll just give it a shot then up to like at least 34, then we'll call you back if we think we need something else. Alright, 340, Southwest 382, thanks.
Well, center Southwest 502, passing 16 for 17 knots. Flight level 400, Southwest 502.
And American 2400, we're out of 10.8 for 17,000. 320, American 24.
4 center, Pilatus 27 Echo Tango, 8.7 per 10,000, direct jacket. 27 Echo Tango, we're 9.2 per 10,000, direct jacket. Okay, direct Odessa and 13,000, 27 Echo Tango.
Oscar November Mike, to direct, American 24.